Good morning, folks. This is the 18th of July. It is now after 10 a.m. League of Legends light up fridge magnet. I have not seen one of these before, and I purchased this at a MINISO store in Melbourne. I have no idea if they're available up here. Never seen them before. Arcane is one of my favourite TV shows. So Arcane's based on the League of Legends game. I'm not sure if you can see that. That is our chances. Got 1 in 6 chance of getting one of those. They come with batteries. Right games. I'm very keen to see what I got. Let's give her a rip. I do have some other Arcane stuff on the wall. I've made it to the shelf. Let's leave the little cheap one in there for a second. Let's see what we got. Oh, look at that. Okay. Very cute, very cute. Stephanie, I think that was supposed to be Seraphim, not Stephanie. Okay, so it has a on-off button and a pull switch. Warning, it does have batteries in there, so let's go ahead and give it a go. And that's it. It's a flickering little light, and I don't have anything here to stick it to. It does stick to my scissors. Cute. Yes. Buy another one? No. But it will go to my collection. Possibly. If I have room for it over there. Let's go back to see what one of the ones we could get. Actually, I probably would buy another one. I'm a bit of a sucker. Very cute. Nice little... Not what I was expecting. Nothing wrong with it though. Okay, I have done... What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or 8 videos this morning. So I'm going to jump off so I can start uploading them. I will see you all next time. Have a great day. See you later. Bye.